So we were here in Solapur. MIT Vishwaprayag University recently organized this Design Gadda 2026, and overall it was an amazing experience. I mean, the whole 2 days journey was full of experiences, and we got a lot of design insights into Solapur's culture and heritage, which was the most valuable insight we could take with us. So, yeah, thank you for this opportunity.
Same for me too. It was a really lovely experience. We got to learn a lot about the heritage, about the culture, about the food itself. It was really amazing. Thank you so much for this.
It was a very good experience working with different people, sharing our thoughts, working unitedly. We enjoyed a lot. It was a good experience.
I would like to mention that we got this opportunity to join like a lot of design schools came together and we got connected. So we got new friends, and we also got to see their work, which was like amazing, and the light studio and everything. So it was a lot of fun to overall explore the whole university. And yeah, so the overall experience came out to be really worth taking in. So thank you.